Algebra 1 EOC practice test question 3. This one's still in the non-calculator part. It says select all tables that could represent a function. Okay, remember a function means all the values of x are different. They're all unique. If it were a graph, you would look to see if it passes the vertical line test. But because this is a table, all we have to do is look at the x values. Okay, only the x values matter. So -4, -1, 1, 4. That means A is a function. 0, 2, 4, 6, those are all unique or different. So B is a function. Number C, when you get 1, 3, 3, 7, because these are the same, this one is not a function. All right, so C is not a function. And let's look at D. So D has all the same x values. So because all of these are the same, D is not a function either. E is -3, -2, -1, 0. E has unique x's. They're all different. So number 3 has 3 tables that could represent functions. So A, B, and E is the correct answer for number 3.